Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a paper board. For this we'll be needing a A4 paper. You could use like a plain paper or an origami, but I prefer origami paper so that it will like be more colorful. Let's get started with the board now. First, you need to fold the paper into a half. Fold it into a half again this way. Open the paper, and now this side of the paper which doesn't open, you need to fold it on this line you see here, like this, into a triangle. You could fold it in any angle, but it should be on the line, on specifically the line. Now you just need to fold the same thing again on the line. The line should be same, but it's okay if it comes up like a bit cross. Now this top part you need to fold it like this. It should be on this line, you see, it should be on that. There will be a small line here. Now flip the paper over, and this line you see again, you need to fold it like this. Now open it. You will see a line here. On that line you need to hold this tip. It's not necessary it has to touch the line, but it should at least be a little bit closer. Now this place also, you like this down tip also, you need to fold it the same way. We need to do the same thing this opposite side also. Now this top part, we need to fold it this way, upside like this. This is the way it will be looking like a triangle. Now you see this gap here. You need to like just put your thumb fingers on the line, and you need to adjust it like that. It will look like a diamond at first, like this, but after we go, it will look like a boat. Now we need to like fold. You see this place, you need to like fold it on this itself. There will be a line here, you see here. This line should be connected together in the middle part. It will look like an X if you look like this. Now flip the page over like this, and again you need to fold it this way. Again, this place you need to fold it like this, like you did earlier. In this gap, you need to put your thumb like that. Now your board is ready. You just need to pull this place like this. There you go. The board is done. Thank you.